making the high jumper scrunchies, we need the items are fabric, whatever your fabric, but the fabric doesn't stretch. This is important. And scissor, elastics, also safety pin, thread, needle, and straight pin. For making hijaber scrunchies, the first step, we are going to cut the fabric, and the measurement are 155 centimeter by 13 centimeter. We need only one. Also, we prepare the elastic and the length of 26 centimeter. We give the safety pin, double safety pin, both sides. The second step, this is a good side and this is a bad side, and we fold the fabric in half and skewer with straight pin. And what's going to do? Start sewing from here, from this corner until here. But before you start sewing, you give the mark from here to here. You take 4 centimeter and here to here 4 centimeter, and you start sewing from this mark here. Keep sewing until here, this mark. Like this. Okay, this is, you can open like this, and take the safety pin, put here, and you insert through the fabric. You turn it inside out. Until like this. Okay, you take the elastic with the safety pin both sides, and you insert the elastic here, but you skewer. This is the function of the safety pin, why we need 2 safety pins both sides, so you doesn't miss the elastic if you through the elastic inside. And now you insert the elastic so you can see. Until here. This is a safety pin. You have to like this. And you tie like this, okay? This one. Like this. And the last step, this is still open, so you close this one. And you sew from here to here. You can use by machine or by hand. But if you have a label, you can put the label like this. You put inside here. Like this. And you sew. And the hijaber scrunchie has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.